Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, a new H7 bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. It's also a good idea to wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the glass. Next, open your Ford Transit's hood. You'll see two retaining screws at the top of the headlight unit. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully loosen and remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit straight forward. It should slide out of its housing, giving you access to the bulbs. Now, with the headlight unit out, locate the specific bulb you need to replace. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull out the old bulb and insert the new H7 bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly without touching the glass. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its housing, making sure it aligns properly. Reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws you removed earlier to secure the unit. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is functioning correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.